traditional marriage. Okay, so now we've got into the house of our choose. Our choose. House of our choose.
Spend half of my advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hello guys, good morning, happy new year to everyone. This is the 3rd day of January and yeah, I have decided to vlog for you guys. And today what I'm going to be doing basically is just to clean the salon. I'm actually going to the salon and we're doing cleanup today. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So this is the first time we're opening this January this year, and just to let you guys know that I actually traveled, and I traveled like on the 27th or 28th. So the salon was closed on the 24th. So since then we've not opened. Not like today is the first day we're going to be opening the salon. So basically what I'm going to be doing is to clean up the place, and I'm going to be doing that with the apprentice. All the stylists traveled, but they will be back very soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys there.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so we must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
So today is 12th of January. I'm actually going out today. We're going out today. I'm not wearing any makeup because no time to wear makeup today. So we're going out to look for house. We're going to look for either 2 rooms or 3 rooms around Abuja, Nigeria. So yeah, we've called the agent that will take us round, and I think he's on his way. Oh, okay, we're going to meet the agent. Come and say hi now. Yeah, do hello. So this is my friend, my sister from another mother. Her name is Naza. I'm blushing. My name is Tonya. Naza. Tonya. Naza. Tonya. Tonya Naza. So I'm actually in her house. We're going round today to look for 2 rooms, like I said before. And then I just want to point out 1 or 2 things about this area. This is Karo. No, this is City College. City College, Karo, Abacha Road. Around that Nyonya side anyways. So the only problem about this place is just security is very fine. The only problem about this place is the road. The roads are not terrible. The hold up from terrible. Town to this place is actually terrible. Like seriously terrible. That's the only issue. That is the only issue about the houses are cheap, but the houses are very, very affordable. Like 2 rooms, you can get it for 400, 500, even 350. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys around. I'll take you guys as I'm going. I will show you guys the roads, everything about this place. So yeah. So I don't know. Do you guys know what this is? This is called This is called agbalimo in Hausa.
Yoruba.
Is it Yoruba?
Yeah. Sherry.
Sherry in English and udara in Igbo. Hausa uncle?
Why are you asking me? Am I an Hausa girl?
So this is agbalimo. Come and join me.
Please give me my own before you think it's their own.
So this house is 2 rooms. 2 rooms and it's for 350, 400. Like the up is 2 rooms and then there's another flat here, another flat here,
and then a flat behind,
and then boys' quarters. So up here is 350, right? 400. 250. That's how many rooms? 1 bedroom.
And then 250 behind.
250. What of this one?
200.
That's the behind.
Yes, the room.
No, not the boys' quarter. This one here.
This one like this is his own. The other one behind is his own. Security is tight, yes. Then they are developing buildings also.
Let me show you that.
And then we have free vegetation. What is it? Show them the bitter leaf. Am I the bitter leaf?
Bitter leaf. So this is the road.
You where did they? Baba,
This is another house. That is a school.
You will take breakfast by this time. Why? This is not lunch, oh.
I take breakfast by this time now.
It's late now to take breakfast. It's locked, oh. It's locked.
See this chinkly one? You go fit call now, they do cha 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 cha. See. Hey, no leave us here.
Try no do anything. Hey. This one.
It's coming, no stop, Jesus. God, I don't like this kind of thing.
In the female, they can't stop God, Jesus.
I said they like this kind of thing. My body they shake,
They speak pidgin by force.
And I move on this camera then. Please come and take your dog. To go now. No, you should go. Even at that, you should just go. Some people are not used to dogs.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
That's how they go traditional marriage.
Okay, so now we've got into the house of our choose.
Our choose.
House of our choose.
This house is too inside, man.
But it's fine.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds grasping into a life. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Beauty of the world, Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Light is gonna come.
The lookingness.
Hey, your phone.
Kick and
Your balasa.
Use a stone person, nothing.
Your balasa dey fall.
So that's the realtor, the waka waka, and BTBT agents.
Back to when trees were swung, kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.